Hello everyone, we will be making a pineapple using a bubble wrap paper. Take a bubble wrap paper and cut it out. Now color it with yellow color. Draw its leaves using green pen. Now make its eyes, mouth and hands and legs, and it's ready. Next, using empty peanut shell, we will make a giraffe. Take two empty peanut shells and stick them. Now make its leg, make their ears, eyes and nose. Now make its tail. Now make another giraffe in the same way. Stick the leaves and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a jar filled with fireflies. Take yellow color and using the fingers, put dots on it as shown in the video. Now we will draw its eyes, wings. Then we will make holes in the paper as shown. Now take a fairy light and put it in the holes and your cute fireflies are ready. Next, we will be making milkshakes. Take a cup, cut it from the between. Now take colorful papers and stick it. Now apply clay on it and spread it using the fingers. Make black dots on it. Now stick the plastic cup over it and put a straw and it's ready. Thanks for watching.